An isosceles right triangle has a parameter of 94 plus 94 square root of 2 inches. What is the length in inches of one leg of this triangle? Okay, so let's draw the picture of this triangle here. So this is a right triangle and this is isosceles, so these two sides, they should equal to each other. And since that's the case, we know that the two angles here should equal to each other. They're both 45 degrees. So we're seeing this special triangle here. You should immediately think about the property of this special triangle, which is the side mirror. The ratio should be 1, 1, and square root of 2. So if you're having trouble memorizing this property, it's actually super easy to prove because you can approve this Pythagoras theorem as these two sides, they're both 1. They equal to each other. So that's 1 square plus 1 square. A sum of them 2 should equal to the hypotenuse square. Okay, so y squared equals 2. Our y should equal to square root of 2. Now we know the ratio of the three sides. So let's make the two sides both equal to x plus square root of 2x. The parameter equals 94 plus 94 square root of 2. Okay, so let's take the same x out. We get 2 plus square root of 2 equals, we take out this 94. So it's easy for me to see. 94 times 1 plus square root of 2. Okay, let's do it further. X equals 94 times 1 plus 2. 1 plus square root of 2. Okay, that's what we get so far. But unfortunately, we do not have this in any of these answers, right? We should further simplify it. As you can notice, there is a square root here, which is an irrational number. So you should try to rationalize this denominator here. And you should apply this formula a plus b times a minus b equals a squared minus b squared. So if we are having, a square root here, we do the square. So we're getting rid of this square root. Okay, let's do it. X equals 94, 1 plus square root of 2, 2 plus square root of 2. We should do 2 minus square root of 2. Okay, then don't forget, we should do this for the denominator. Okay, okay, then apply this formula. We should get 2 square, which is 4 minus square root of 2 square. So that is 4 minus 2. That is going to be only 2. 94, 1 plus square root of 2, 2 minus square root of 2. Okay, so this 2, we should left with 47. Okay, so it seems like it's very likely to be answer choice B. But let's further do this step here. 1 plus square root of 2 times 2 minus square root of 2. Okay, let's just distribute this. So 1 times 2, 2, 1 times minus square root of 2, minus square root of 2, plus 2 square root of 2, then minus square root of 2 times square root of 2, which is just 2. Okay, these 2 get cancelled. We're left with only square root 2. Okay, perfect. So 47 times square root 2. That is this answer choice here, which is B.